Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones JLAB GOWORK. And all controls we have at the right ear cup. So right here we have the power button. You can press and hold it to turn off or turn on your headphones. Also, when your headphones turn off, you press and hold power button until the LED lights start blinking blue and red, and you will enter to pairing mode. Also, with the power button, we can play or pause the song. So right now, as you can see, I just single press on it and I pause it, single press, and I play the song. Also, with the power button, you can call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call the Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. So, double press, 1, 2. And as you can see, I just call the Siri. Then, when you are during the call, you can press 3 times at the power button and you will hear yourself. So it's something like transparency mode. But officially these headphones haven't transparency. Okay, next. You can also answer the call by press 1 time at the power button. And you can finish the call by also press 1 time at the button. You can reject the call if you press and hold at the power button. Okay, next we have finally volume control button. So you need to, let me just play the song. You need to press 1 time at the plus button to increase the volume and press 1 time at the minus button to lower the volume. So I just press volume up button, and as you can see I increase the volume. If you press and hold at the volume up button, you will play next track. Here we go. And then to lower the volume you need to single press at the volume down button. So single press, and as you can see at this widget I lower the volume, and if you press and hold you will play previous track. And that's it. Oh no, actually we have also mute unmute button right here at the right ear cup. So if I open my recorder, right now, as you can see, I speak and we have these waves, meaning that my microphone unmute. If I press 1 time, now I have this red LED light, I speak, but as you can see there is no waves, because I muted. So to unmute it, also single press this button. Now we have no LED light and also we have these waves. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.